Catherine Fulvio is in the kitchen. Catherine, how are you?
I'm in great form, thank you very much, Di. Getting into the festive spirit now.
Do you know we kind of have to kick in?
We do.
We have to kick in. It is the last week in November. This day next week, I'm pretty sure, is the 1st of December, so we'll have to get into it.
Well, I have for you a very, very handy little dish because we're so busy this time of the year. This is a beautiful pistachio pesto and it's going to be served with prawns and pancetta.
Lovely.
Pasta, so it's all the PPPs
Oh,
today.
lovely.
And it's like a 15-minute dinner.
That's it.
Yeah. So we get the pan on here. I've passed on already.
Yeah.
So the great thing about this, Dahi, is you can get your pasta on first and then you can start making everything else. So while the pan's heating, let me talk to you about the pesto.
Okay.
So pesto, you would know, we do this in the cookery school all the time. It's pesto genovese that everybody knows.
Yeah.
That's the one with the pine nuts and the basil.
Lovely.
But you can swap anything out.
Yeah.
Your key ingredient is always going to be your garlic. So we have that. Now, I'm going with pistachio.
Lovely.
You could do almonds, hazelnuts, cashew, whatever you have. I'm going to use a little bit of rocket and spinach instead of the basil. That'll be lovely for colour and bite.
Lovely.
And olive oil and parmesan, and I'm going to put in the zest of lemon to lift
So
it.
is it ordinary olive oil you have or extra virgin?
Extra virgin.
Okay.
Extra virgin, definitely. Now, I'm going to start on my little bit of pancetta here.
Yeah.
So we get that heat. So I've got my pan on, and then we're going to get our pancetta in here.
Love that as well. A smoked bacon if you have it at home.
Smoked bacon. Yeah.
Or
This is actually, sorry, Di,
it?
this is actually smoked Irish bacon.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So you can use either one.
I swap it out. I use...
Does the same job.
Yeah, I love the little bit of Irish smoked bacon now. It's very nice. Now, we get that going. Next, Dahi, how to make the pesto. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to crush the garlic.
Yeah.
So you get your knife, you put your knife over the garlic, whack it like that, and then the skin just slips off.
That's it, handy out.
Nice and handy. Then we go back here and we get a pestle and mortar and we go with a little bit of salt.
But if you don't have one of these at home, Catherine, what would you do instead?
Food processor.
Same thing?
Yeah, the food processor. I mean, they do say, Di, that you get a better flavour when you actually use the pestle and mortar. And it does make sense because when you're grinding it down, all the flavours blending really nicely.
I know what you're
Whereas the food processor's just going to chop, chop, chop.
Yeah.
So,
and did you put a bit of salt in there now so it'll catch on to the garlic?
I put the salt in and also it draws out the moisture. You see the way it's already beginning to just turn into a paste?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a great way of making as well if you need to make, if you wanted to make garlic butter. This is a great way with, like that. So now, let me give this guy a little stir here, Dahi, just to be sure.
Yeah.
I'd hate to burn the dinner on you today, do you know?
I know, well, that hasn't happened yet, no.
So then in go the pistachio.
Yeah. And pistachios are lovely.
And depending on the time that you have, Dahi, like today is going to be different because this could take about 10 minutes just to crush these down.
Yes.
Depending on...
Good workout for you.
Yeah, it's a good workout. It might be a workout for you, Dahi, now. I'm just going to pass it over to you now in a second.
And it's a good job for the kids as well to get the shells off them as well.
Oh, you buy them without the shells?
Oh, can you buy them without the shells as well?
Ah, yeah, that'd be cruel to do that to the kids.
They have to earn their supper.
Make them work.
Are they the salted ones or the...
No, they're the unsalted ones.
Unsalted.
Yeah. So you can buy them like this. You get them in the health food shops.
Want me to do that, Catherine?
Do you mind, Dahi? Give it a... Yeah, show me now.
Much of a chance.
A bit of strength there. And we'll get this guy going. Once that's crushed down, the job is done. And texture is good, Dahi, so don't be under pressure now to get it nice and smooth.
Is there a food processor on here? No, should I push down or should I do the grindy thing?
Yeah, I do a bit of both.
A bit of both,
kind of whack and grind as well.
Whack and grind.
Yeah.
Whack and grind.
No,
and
when
whack and grind.
When you're doing
grind,
that,
and grind.
the bacon is cooking beautifully.
Oh, is it? I'm glad to hear that,
yeah.
Catherine.
So you could whip the bacon out, but equally you could just put the prawns straight in, make your life easy.
What happens when they go all over the place?
We won't be looking at that now.
Do you know what? There's a lovely garlicky smell coming out of these.
Yeah, well, see, that's the blending, Dahi, it makes all the difference. So now the prawns are gone in, Dahi.
Yeah.
And a little bit of salt and pepper is going to go on the prawns. And then I'm going to give you then the next bit to go.
Can I ask about the prawns? Are they fresh? Can you do them? Can you put them in frozen? You can't. You have to leave them thaw out, don't you?
Oh, you'd want to be thawing them out, all right. But you can use the frozen, but I have the fresh here. So I'm just roughly chopping here a little bit of the spinach and the rocket.
How much? Is this okay? Is it?
Yeah, keep going there, Dahi. There you go.
There's more going in.
Give that a bit of a grind down there now. Yeah. Oh, you're doing a fabulous job, Dahi.
Thanks, yeah.
You're welcome.
Catherine, there's stuff going all over the place.
Oh, don't worry, Dahi. You're grand. You're doing a fabulous job.
Thank you.
All we need is a bit of texture.
Oh, there's plenty of texture, believe me.
There you go. Give it a bit of texture there.
What's going in there now? What's going in?
That's the last of it.
So
that is the spinach and the rocket.
Together?
Yeah, together. That's fabulous, Dahi. Right, now. Good day at the office, Dahi.
Yeah, great day at the office, Captain Fulvio. So is that okay?
That's brilliant. You see, like, honestly, Dahi, you don't need, like, people think, oh, it needs to be super smooth, it needs to be...
rustic.
Yeah, we're going with rustic. Right, you pop that there, Dahi. I'll tidy it up in a minute.
No, I'll tidy up,
Now, you see this? You did a great job, Dahi, now. What you're going to do now is... Well, you're not going to do anything. You've done your hard work.
Thank you. Jeez, I have to sit down after that.
Now...
Can I get a stool there, please?
Extra virgin olive oil goes in. Parmesan goes in. You can see the benefits, Dahi, can't you, of the of using the food processor after all.
Yeah.
And a bit of lemon zest goes in. Thank you for your help, Dahi.
You're
That's
welcome.
just amazing.
Of course, there's something caught in my throat now as well.
Well, I'll just keep cooking away here. I'm putting lemon zest in now here. You see? So in here then we have the garlic, the garlic, spinach, rocket, extra virgin olive oil, lemon zest, pistachio, parmesan. Look at that.
Of course, we're down the wrong tube.
We'll get you a glass of water.
That's what happens when I work too hard on this show.
See? Making you work too hard. Dahi, there is the one you made with the lovely bit of texture.
Lovely.
And that's one that the food processor does. I just got both there so you can see them. Next, we're on to the prawns over here. And we're going to give this just a little squirt of the lemon. See, we're tying the flavour together.
I'm going to get Sinead to come in.
Now, Dahi, all we need to do now is check out our pasta. So we've our pasta cooking away here.
Yeah.
So this is done.
Oh, yeah, thanks, Sinead. I was choking here.
Were you?
I'm fine now, thanks.
I was shoveling food into my face
know you are,
behind the scenes. Only to come out
Something
here and eat more.
Something went down the wrong
Sorry.
tube there, lads. That's
the
fine.
one time you needed me.
That's fine.
Oh, I wasn't even watching because I was busy.
I'm okay.
Sorry. Ooh,
Catherine,
that's bad.
sorry.
Catherine held it all together, I've no
What
doubt.
I have here is your farfalle. So you can use any pasta you
Farfalle.
want. Farfalle.
That's very
The reason
fancy.
I'm going with the farfalle is the little bows.
Oh, yes, okay.
The reason I'm going with that is it'll catch the lovely pesto that Dahi made.
Yeah, that almost killed me.
Yeah.
What are you choking on?
You can't do the hard work, you see. That's the problem. No,
He's allergic.
He's been brilliant.
He's allergic.
My sous chef today.
Yeah.
Now, can I just show you something? I'm just going to strain off and I'm putting the pasta back in here with a bit of the pasta water.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right?
Okay.
Because what you want to do then is you can get Dahi's beautiful pesto and you pop it in here like this, you see.
I love pesto.
And when you then have the pasta water and you mix it together, this whole thing becomes really creamy because the olive oil and the parmesan works with the pasta cooking liquid and turns everything beautifully creamy.
I just timed my lunch really badly today because I would eat the entire pot of that.
Yeah, I'm going to have some of this now as well.
Oh,
And
yeah,
I
you're gonna
I like
love
the
this.
prawns and the bit of bacon as well.
Yeah, you're
And is
gonna-
that something I put together, pesto with prawns?
Yeah,
Funnily enough.
honestly, you're going to love it. It's very Sicilian. Yeah, very, very kind of.
And what would you have with this now,
southerly
Kat? Would you have a glass of white wine or something?
Oh, yeah, it'd be nice with a glass of white wine. Absolutely. Maybe little bubbles, prosecco, little.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Christmas.
Christmas.
Come on. Now, right, here we go. Dahi, you did a gorgeous job
Thank
now
you.
with this. So I'm just going to, not a very elegant way, but I'm just going to pop it into the bowls here because I'm going to get...
Thanks a million, Catherine.
There you
It's
go.
well sorted as well.
I think you're going to love this now. It's all about the flavour. You know me,
Yeah.
it's all about building
All about
up
flavour.
those flavours all the way along. Now, I need a spoon because I want to...
What are you looking for?
wait till we see now. Here we go, wooden spoon. Right, we're going to get a bit of bacon. I mean, you could mix this in, but I actually think this is nice
Yeah,
on
like
the
Nicer
top,
on top.
yeah.
because it's just for the colour and the texture as well. You
Lovely.
see, like that.
Thank you so much.
And
Catherine, what are you going to make
beautiful
next
flavour.
for us?
Oh, I've got actually now, Dahi, I'm going to do all the hard work for the next one because I'm going to do scones for you, but no ordinary scones. We're doing gingerbread scones, Dahi, and I'm going to do them into like a festive wreath. Now, I think you deserve this after all your hard work.
Thank you.
There
I can't
it is.
believe I
Apologies
missed
to
all the
everyone there
action.
for coughing all over the place. Well, into my stomach.
No.
Yeah.
Yum. I love pesto and pasta.
It's very colourful, it's very
Oh, lovely.
fresh.
It's so flavoursome.
Yeah.
Absolutely lovely.
Thank you, Catherine.
We'll have
That's
to dig in
delicious.
properly here. RT.E/food for this beautiful recipe. Now, off to the weather studio we go.